Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to online recording classes due to COVID-19. So, in part of your business statistics subject 2, it is going to the unit number 1. The chapter name is regression. So, in last session we have completed the problem number 14, 13 and 15 also. So in 15 some mistakes are there, the standard deviation. So whatever the procedure is correct, what we have done in that class. Okay, right. So simply I am giving one more information to you. We have done in previous each and every problem under the assumed. అంటే అజ్యూమ్డ్ మీనింగ్ సంబంధించినటువంటి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ ఎక్కువగా మనం చేసుకుంటూ వచ్చాం. సో దట్ ఈస్ we calculated r is equal to sigma dx dy sigma dx into sigma dy divided by n total divided by sigma dx square minus sigma dx whole square divided by n, like that is y on x. Okay, y on x. So if it is x on y, the sigma dy square divided minus sigma dy whole square divided by n. So that problems we have done. Actually, in direct method, sigma xy divided by n, standard deviation x, standard deviation y, direct method of mean. Here the mean is taken, assumed mean, the variables are given. So from the variables we will find the assumed mean, that is deviations. So how the deviations are taking? Here the deviations are with assumed mean. Here the deviations are taking direct method. So here you see small x is equal to x minus x bar and small y is equal to y minus y bar. Here the small x is equal to x minus a, small y is equal to x minus y minus a, that is dx and dy. See like that. Okay, but why I am telling here, ఇది నేను ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నానంటే డైరెక్ట్ అన్ని ఇండైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్లో అజ్యూమ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గివెన్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఓన్లీ వాల్యూస్, నాట్ వేరియబుల్స్. ఇఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఆర్ దేర్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ ఎక్స్ సిరీస్, ఇన్ వై సిరీస్. అంటే ఎక్స్ సిరీస్లో వై సిరీస్లో డైరెక్ట్ మనకు వేరియబుల్స్ కనుక ఇస్తే ఆ వేరియబుల్స్ నుంచి అజ్యూమ్డ్ మీన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి మనం ఇలా క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తాం. బట్ సమ్ టైమ్స్ ఆల్ వాల్యూస్ ఆర్ డన్ బై ది అదర్ అండ్ ఇన్ క్వశ్చన్ దే విల్ మెన్షన్ standard deviation x is equal to standard deviation y is equal to n is equal to, already we have seen in problem number 14 and 15 and 13. So in other way, sometimes in direct, so these values sigma xy, standard deviation x, standard deviation y, direct given as like, how it find, how it identify, you see. In problem number 16, direct values are there. Okay, here problem number 16. X bar is equal to 36, y bar is equal to 85, and sigma x, standard deviation x is equal to 11, standard deviation y is equal to 8. Next, the r is equal to 0.66. If it is given like that, if it is given like that. So these are you have to do any method. Any method means direct you have to find the regression equation only. No need of the R value. If R value is not mentioned, if R value is not mentioned in the question, then you have to find the R value. See, x on y, x minus x bar is equal to R sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar. Here x minus x bar 36 is equal to R 0.66 into sigma x 11 divided by 8 into y minus y bar, that is 85. Like ఇక డైరెక్ట్ యాజ్ పర్ ది ఈక్వేషన్ ప్రకారం మనం ఇలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. దెన్ x minus 36 is equal to, so 11 by 8 into 0.66, that is 0.9 into R y minus 8. So x minus 36 is equal to minus 85 into 0.9075, that is 77.1. So x is equal to 0.9075 y minus 77.14 and plus 7, 36. So here the equation very simple, minus 41.2. This is x and y. So simply, if it is given the R value, like you have to do like that. Next, y on x. Y on x. Y minus y bar is equal to R sigma y divided by sigma x into x minus x bar. So y minus y bar 85 is equal to 0.66 8 divided by 11, x minus x bar 36. So y minus 85 is equal to 8 divided by 11 into 0.66. 48 into x minus 36. To 48 into 36, 17.28. So y minus y is equal to plus 85 minus 17.28, 67.7. So this is the second equation. Here very clear the values are there. See, 0.9075 y minus 41.14. So round fair is 137 got 7 4 is right. Here y on x, y is equal to 0.48 x plus 67.7. Find the regression equation of x and y. We have find two regression equations, x and y and y on x. X on y చేసాం, y on x రెండు చేసాం. ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. Actually asking x on y equation like that. But estimate the value of x when y is equal to 60. ఇక్కడ y వాల్యూ ఇచ్చాడు, x వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. See, when estimate the value of y, the value of x when y is equal to 60. See, x is equal to 9075 y minus 41.14. X is equal to 9075 into 60 minus 41.14. So after that, point 9075 into 60, 54.45 minus 41.14 minus x value 13.31. So this chapter very simple, easy calculation, easy understanding. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనం చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఇందులో వేరే అదర్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ మనకి ఏం లేవు. బట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు రిమెంబర్, ఇన్ రిగ్రెషన్ చాప్టర్ ఫస్ట్ యూనిట్, x variables and y variables will mention in the question. X depends on the y, or sometimes y depends on the x. One is independent, another one is dependent. So if it is one dependent depends on other, then regression equations will start. And here x value will mention, sometimes x value will mention, and you have to find the y value. Sometimes you will mention the y value, calculate the x value. So the estimations are very important. Why? Here the depending x on y on x. So these two equations you have to remember. So problem number 16 is completed. And say in problem number 7. In 17th problem, you have to observe it. N is equal to 450. You observe it. Means the following data based on 450 students are given for marks in statistics and economics at a certain examination. And మొత్తం స్టూడెంట్స్ మనకు 450 స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు. They appeared in statistics and economic. So the marks in statistics, okay, x bar, n is equal to 450, x bar is equal to 40 and y bar is equal to 48 and standard deviation x is equal to, given standard deviation of marks in statistics means x, 12, but the variance, question mark, here given variance of economics 256. So variance means under root standard deviation. So it is nothing but under root 256. So standard deviation is equal to 60. Therefore sigma y is equal to 6. So sometimes given like that. Sometimes given like that. So these values are very clear. And one more, sum of the products of deviations of marks from their respective mean is 42,075. Nothing but sigma xy is equal to 40,000, 42,000. So మనకు వాడు ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇది. So in that question, the values first you identify. The values first you have to identify, because here x bar is there, n is there, y bar is there, standard deviation x, standard deviation y not mentioned, but the variance of economics given, the variance of economics, variance nothing but under root 2 standard deviation. Then we find 16 sigma xy. You observe it. If the assumed mean is there, the values are sigma dx, sigma dy like that, sigma dxy dy. So these values mentioned, but here r value not mentioned. The r value in direct method and indirect method. R value మనకు కావాలంటే here r is equal to sigma xy divided by n sigma x n sigma y. See, sigma xy 42,075 divided by 450 into sigma x 12 into sigma y 16. So the values are very clear. Here 450 into 12 into 16. So 42,75 divided by 86,400. Now r is equal to here. See, 42,75 divided by 86,400. 0.4869 R 7. This is the R value. Okay, whatever. Now asking what here? Give the equations of the two lines of regression and estimate the average marks in economics of candidates who obtained 50 marks in statistics. X value given, y they are asking. So first equation, x on y, x minus x bar is equal to r sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar. X minus x bar 40, 0.487 into sigma x 12 divided by 16 y minus 48. X minus 40 is equal to 12 divided by 16 into 0.487, 0.365. 22.48. X and Y. Next to Y is X minus Y minus Y bar is equal to R sigma Y divided by sigma X into X minus X bar. Y minus 48 is equal to 0.487 into 16 by 12 X minus 40. Divided by 12 into here y on x equation very clear, that is 22 0.649965 and 22 is the value. Here asking the statistics marks given, x value given, asking by estimate the average marks in economics. Right. So when x is equal to 50, y is equal to 0.65, x less 22. So the y value is equal to 54.5. So this is the estimation of average marks in the economics when statistics is given value 50. So whatever the values are given in the question, then you have to find like that. And one more important here, other equations also given in problem number 18. Then given below, results are available from the partially destroyed records app. An analysis of correlation data. Variance of x is equal to 9. The equation is equal to 8x minus 10y plus 64, 0, and 40x 10y is equal to 40. And on the basis of the above information, find the mean of x and y. and correlation coefficient between x and y, then standard deviation of y. How it? Okay. Okay. In problem number 18, I will do, then after I will explain. 18తో నేను ఒకసారి చూసిన తర్వాత మీకు అది ఎందుకంటే 2 ఈక్వేషన్స్ మనకి ఇచ్చారు కదా, దాని వాల్యూస్ ఏంటని ఒకసారి ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. In problem number 19, direct there, from the following information, obtain 2 regression equations, estimate the yield of crops. Where the rainfall is 30 centimeters, the rainfall required to get 600 kgs yield. Okay. So the regression equation x on y and y on x, then estimate the values both. So mean and variance both are there. If it is given the mean, same like that. Here the both given x value and y value. X is given, y estimate, y is given, x estimates. So I will give the values. Problem number 90. X bar is equal to 26.7. Y bar is equal to 5. Variance under root sigma x or variance of x is equal to 45, variance of y is equal to 144. Therefore sigma x is equal to under root 25 that equal to 5. Standard deviation y is equal to under root 121 that equal to 11. R is equal to 0.8. Estimate the value of x is equal to value of y when x is equal to 30. Estimate the value of x when y is equal to 600. So the values are direct here. First you calculate, find two regression equations. That is x on y, y on x. After you estimate x and y x. ఏం చేయాలనేది నేను చెప్పిన. ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ మీకు మెన్షన్ చేశాను, ఇది మీరు చేయాలి. సో డైరెక్ట్ ద వాల్యూస్ విల్ షో అండ్ విల్ కంప్లీట్. ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 19లో మీకు క్లియర్గా మరొకసారి x బార్ 26.7, y బార్ 510, sigma x 5, sigma y 11, r is equal to 0.8. ఇవి మీకు ఉన్నటువంటి వాల్యూస్. సో x is equal to 30, then y is equal to y is equal to 600, then x is equal to question. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ మీరు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి ఈ వాల్యూస్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్, హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.